I'm Keegan, and using my 1.5 years of calculus experience, I'm going to show you how to make it out alive from the sort of places you wouldn't last a day without the right math skills. This year we are in the middle of L'Hopital's Gorge. Each year dozens of students get lost and die in this dangerous terrain. This vast region is going to give me one of my greatest challenges yet.
Today we're getting dropped off at L'Hopital's Gorge, and because the terrain's so dangerous, we're bringing our friend Everett.
What's up, guys?
Alright, you guys are good to go.
Alright. To be realistic, we're only bringing the things a normal tourist would bring, like a knife and a calculator.
The thing anyone should do when stranded in the jungle is to find a vantage point.
I found this tree right here. I think we can use it as a vantage point, so I'm gonna go climb it right now.
Alright, dude, go climb it. Okay, I got you back.
You got me, man?
Yeah, alright. Dude, I got you. Alright, dude, you good?
Dude, I saw a river 2 miles from here. I think we can get to it like a couple days or so.
Alright, just gonna lead out?
Yes.
Alright, dude, let's get going. The jungle's pretty dangerous because there's a lot of poisonous animals and stuff, you know, like there's snakes.
Dude, Keith,
and
come
spiders.
here, man.
Oh, what is it? Come here.
It's a...
Is that what I think
This
it
is
is?
a rare find, man. This is an integral plant. This is good for brain function.
Dude, we should take some for later. Alright, let's get some, yeah.
We're gonna need this for later, man.
Yeah, we should take it for later.
Alright, let me pack this up. We've had a pretty productive day, but it's getting kind of dark, so we're gonna need to make a shelter soon.
Alright, good idea.
I learned from the Lagrange tribe in South America that a teepee is the easiest shelter to build.
Hey man, how much volume is this gonna be?
Dude, I don't know, but there's this equation we can use. We learned in calculus.
Alright, dude, let's try to solve it.
Alright, I got the calculator.
I got the paper.
Okay, so Keegan wants to know the volume of the teepee. He knows the line y equals negative 4x plus 5. In order to get a teepee shape, we need to do a shells method. Well, first we need to find in our other points, so we set the equation equal to 0, and we get x equals 5/4. So then we do the shell method, which is in this form. We distribute the x through to get this equation, and then we integrate the equation to get this. Then we need to plug in our original bounds that we found to get this equation and to find our volume, which ends up being 8.2 meters cubed.
So it's 8.2 meters cubed?
Yeah, man, I think that's gonna be big enough for both of us.
Dude, perfect. Let's go to sleep. Oh, you got the paper. Perfect.
What the heck? I know this is right. This calculator sucks.
Hey, man, you want to try my calculator?
Oh, that's nice. That's what I got.
Good job, man.
Call 1-800-CALCULUS. Batteries not included.
Last night was pretty good, but right now, we gotta get going. Let's go, man.
I once learned a story about a man who tried trekking out here with no calculus skills. When locals finally found his body, they said there was nothing but bones left.
Wait, we should just make a raft and travel down the river.
That's a pretty good idea, but how do we know if the raft we make can withstand the current on the river?
Well, we know the acceleration of the river, and we know the velocity the raft can withstand, so...
Well, I learned from the Remount Slum tribe in northern Africa that we can just use calculus to solve for it. So let's do that.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Keegan and Everett want to know the velocity of the river. They know the acceleration of the river equals e to the t cosine t. To find velocity, we integrate acceleration. So to integrate the acceleration, we need to use integration by parts. We say u equals e to the t and dv equals cosine t. du equals e to the t, v equals sine t. So when we integrate it, we get this, and we need to use integration by parts again. So when we do that, we get this equation, and we set it equal to the original equation. We add the integral of e to the t cosine t over to combine like terms, and we get 2 integral e to the t cosine t equals this equation. We divide the 2 over, and we get the integral of e to the t cosine dt equals e to the t sine t plus e to the t cosine t over 2. We know at noon the velocity is 0, and so we say c equals 0. And then we know at 1:30, that's when time equals 1.5. We want to plug in 1.5 to the original equation, and we get the velocity of the river to equal 2.39.
Everett, the velocity of the river is too fast at this time.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Man, we're just gonna have to walk.
Come on. I know, right?
See that? That's a goose. Really? Yeah. Dude, we should try and catch it and eat it.
No, wait. I think we should wait till there's more geese.
When is that gonna be?
We know this equation, man.
Alright, so solve a calculus?
Yeah.
They want to catch a goose. They know that the equation for the geese t hours after 12 can be found by this. So they take the derivative of this equation and set it equal to 0. They find it at t equals 3. So they do the sine line to prove it's a maximum. To the left of 3 it's increasing, and to the right of 3 it's decreasing. So since it's increasing 0, decreasing, it's a maximum. Also they take the second derivative and they get it to equal -6. And since it's also concave down, they know it's definitely a maximum at t equals 3. So they know they need to catch the most number of geese at 3 o'clock.
Okay, according to this, the maximum amount of geese is at 3 o'clock.
Alright, but I think they're gonna be in the pond, or out in the field with the pond, so we should go get them.
Yeah, good idea. Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Alright, cut.
It's too hard to chase geese out in the field. Forever just chase one into the woods. So hopefully caught one.
Hold on.
Alright, nice job. Let's go cook this up and eat it.
I've eaten a lot of different animals on my adventures, but this goose has to be one of the most delicious things I've ever eaten.
Man, this is pretty good. But right now it's getting pretty dark, so let's just rest and eventually go to sleep.
It's just times out here late at night in the wild when you can just really sit down and think just how amazing calculus has affected my life and how happy I am to learn it. Oh my derivative, that's disgusting. This double integral, nasty. How do you expect to separate these variables? This? What the heck is this? This is the most disgusting thing I have ever seen. You do not want to see the problem in there.
Coming up next, Dirty Problems with Vinny Sanger.
Come on, man. Let's get going.
You hear that? I think it's civilization. Alright, dude, let's go.
This journey has really taught me a lot, especially about the importance of calculus. But right now, I'm just really happy to get home to my nice and warm house.
Scenes from next week.
Well, we know the acceleration of the river and the acceleration the raft withstands, so...
Oh, you mean the velocity of the raft withstands?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, well, I learned from this.
Okay, according to this, it says that, read it.